In this video, we're going to share with you how to check the propane tanks in your RV. And we're starting right now.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be a part of the conversation.
Welcome back. Aaron here with Three Tails RV with another RV related video just for you. Camping season is here, and you know what that means. Blooming flowers, more time outdoors, and of course, camping and grilling. But there are a few things that you should know about your RV propane system before you head out for the season. There are two types of RV tanks available on the market today. The American Society of Mechanical Engineer ASME tanks and Department of Transportation cylinders. So this is an example of an AMSE tank. It's an onboard our Class A motorhome. This was permanently affixed to the RV. These tanks do not require any recertification, but periodically you want to go ahead and check to make sure that the overall condition of the tank itself is still good. You want to check for rust, any kind of corrosion, any dents or puncture marks on the tank. If you want to do that type of maintenance, I've got a video where we showed how we did the paint job on this right up here in this corner, and go ahead and watch that. All right, this is an example of a DOT tank. This is a barbecue style one that we have. These have to be inspected every 10 years, and it's based off of the date of the manufacturer. All right, so to check the expiration date of your bottle, what you got to do is find the date, and it's either going to be on one side or the other. This particular bottle was manufactured in 11/84. So technically this one is expired, but because it's been recertified, because it's an American gas, one of those bottles that you can take and reclaim, right here on the side, right here on this side, you can see the 08/17 was the last time it was recertified. E must be the region code, and the VIC, whatever this is here, is the person who recertified it. So that's how you check to see if your tanks have expired. Lori and I would like to thank you for following along with us today, and if you know someone that would benefit from watching this video, go ahead and share this video with them. And if you haven't, head over to Facebook where you can check out our Three Tails RV page. And remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we will see you on our next video.